Hi there, welcome to another Lazer Lamps video. My name is Aaron and today I'm going to be showing you how simple it is to fit a RR1250 grill kit that we have developed here at Lazer onto this 2020 Land Rover Defender. So the first step we need to do is pop our cutting guides in place. You'll see that they've got number 1 and number 2, so you'll be reading it from left to right, so number 1 on the left and 2 on the right. You will need to cut along the cutting guide edge, as you can see in the instructions. Once you cut along the guides, you can remove the part of the grill that you've cut out, and then next step is going to be installing the brackets onto the side of your lamp, ready to mount into the grill. Okay, so next step is to remove the gel overlay badge off the side of the end cap on the lamp, and then we need to screw in the brackets using the supplied screws. Make sure that you plug the lamp in to the wiring harness shown here, and then put your lamp into the grill. And then drill our holes ready for mounting. The drill size here is 3.5mm. As you can see here, included in the box, we have our security screws. These are for securing the lamp to the grill. They also come with the security Torx part that you'll need should you wish to remove your lamp at any point, so make sure you keep this in a safe place. Okay, so next step is the wiring. We've got our relay, which has just been positioned here. We've then got our permanent live, which has just been nutted onto our permanent live feed here. We've then got our earth, which is taken from a factory earth point just down here. We then run the cable out for the lamp, past the grill and down into the lamp itself. It literally just clicks together, as you've seen. After that, we need to find our headlight high beam trigger. Now, we're fortunate enough on this vehicle that although it's got LED headlights, it has got a 12-volt signal at the back of the headlights. It's easy to find on Defenders without the matrix system. You should be able to find 12 volts at the back of the headlight, and the wire colour for that is a purple with an orange trace. If your vehicle has got matrix LED headlights, you will need a CAN interface, and we've done a separate video showcasing the CAN interface on the Defender, what you need and how to install it. Okay guys, that concludes our video. I hope you found it interesting, and then you could see for yourself just how simple it is to install a Lazer Lamps grill kit for the 2020 Land Rover Defender. Thank you very much again for watching. Don't forget to check us out on social media.